Every single one is a tiny crack in your brand's reputation. It's a frustrating cycle, and it costs you money.
And let's be blunt about this. Picking the wrong supplier isn't just a simple mistake, it's a major strategic failure. Getting this decision right means you have a product that practically sells itself. But get it wrong? You're buried in warranty claims, battling terrible online reviews, and watching customers walk away. So today, we're going to make sure you get it right every single time.
So, where do we start? Well, first, we learn how to spot the trouble before it even begins. Let's dive right into the supplier red flags, the warning signs that tell you to walk away and not look back.
Okay, here are the 3 big ones you have to look out for. First, if a supplier can't have a serious, detailed conversation with you about the science behind their materials, that's a huge problem. Second, if you ask them what's new and their big innovation is just another shade of off-white, they're not invested in solving real problems. And finally, if they talk a big game about quality but get cagey when you ask for certified third-party test reports, that's your cue to be very, very skeptical.
All right, let's get right to the heart of it. The single most important decision you'll make in this process, the material. This choice affects everything: durability, how the customer perceives the quality, and ultimately, your profit margin.